Hello, I'm Dr. Maria Portelos-Romito from the University of Florida IFAS Extension. We've been talking about disaster preparedness, and now we're going to focus in on the supplies we should be including in our kit. So what should we include in our supply kit? Remember, we need to be self-sufficient for 7 days. So let's start with water. That's a gallon of water per person per day for 7 days. But also you'll need extra water for washing and if you have any pets in the home. Think about purchasing a battery-operated radio. Better yet, a battery-operated weather radio. Perhaps you might consider a battery-operated fan. And for lighting, think about lanterns and flashlights. But don't forget, you'll always need those extra batteries on hand. Also, think about some type of a first aid kit. And if you are evacuating to a shelter, think about what supplies you might need, as well as your medications. If you go to clean up, remember, you'll need to have some masks, gloves, and plastic bags. And your important documents, you always want to keep those with you. So taking video of those important documents and also videotaping your home. So go around with your cell phone on video, videotape the interior of each room. Don't forget your lanai and don't forget your garage. Take still shots of the front of your home, the back of your home, and the sides of your home as well. And if you need to sign up for anyone in your house that has special needs, remember there is a form that needs to be completed and can be done right online, right through our county extension office. These are just some basic supplies to help you get started on creating a good supply plan.